Donny Walker here. It's a beautiful day, TGIF. It's Friday, Thanksgiving in the U.S. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Hope you have a great weekend. Beautiful day here today. A little chilly this morning, but I got some saw porn going on. Well, 4 of Gordy's bark boxes. Let's go check them out, make a little music with some 500s. 500 still eyes, 4 of them. Sounds like a dragster. Nothing like a little 2-stroke oil in the morning, eh? That's cool. I like revving them up and down, grabbing each one there and making a little song. Eh? 500 eye song. Hey, keep sawing the wood, sticking the ice, rubber on the road. Have a great Thanksgiving weekend. We'll see you all next week. Bye now.